I'm Dr. Eric Smith, and I'm a hip and knee replacement specialist at Rothman Orthopaedics. I really enjoy being with people, taking care of people, and had a significant number of sporting injuries and whatnot, really gravitated towards orthopedic surgery. And there is nothing better than improving somebody's quality of life, and orthopedic surgery really gives that opportunity to do so. Going through orthopedic residency, which is an incredible grind, you really have to have a passion for it to enjoy it, to push through that type of work and learning and education, quite frankly. The Rothman Orthopaedic Institute is like no other place in the world. It's a combination of academics and research, skill and expertise that is second to none. Yet at the same time, it's also a private practice that is growing and expanding into new communities. We work well in the community to give that amazing care. The reason to see me for a hip or knee replacement is pain from arthritis that has not been alleviated by non-operative treatments. I want patients to know that there's not another physician on the planet that's going to care about them more. I've been so lucky to be trained by Dr. Rothman on the skills of performing hip and knee replacements that I think they'd be hard-pressed to find a more technically talented physician as well. They're going to see a surgeon and a physician that's really going to care about them. To book an appointment with me, Dr. Eric Smith, please visit rothmanortho.com.